Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Love, what are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, right? So, guys, today I want to share with you this amazing recipe, and I want you to pay a very good attention to what I am going to teach you right now. But before I go into that video, I want to use this beautiful opportunity to thank all my 20 subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. And to my new subscribers in the building, you guys are highly welcome. In this channel, we teach you how to use some natural things, little things around you to solve some of your spiritual problems by the special grace of God. If that is what you want to hear, then keep on watching this video. Pardon me if this video is appearing some kind of blurry to you. All right, that is because I am making it in the evening. All right, so now guys, this topic is for those who people has been owing. If you are watching me today and you have people who has owed you money, who doesn't want to pay the money that they brought to you, the money that you lend them, people has been owing you money, you have brought them a very huge amount of certain money, but they refuse to pay you this money. You see, this recipe is one of the best recipe that you can see online. It's one of the best recipe that works very, very well. The previous recipe might have not worked for you, but you see this one, I am telling you today, guys, you need to try this and see the effectiveness or the efficacy of this recipe. This recipe works wonders, and I have never seen this type of recipe before. So if you see it anywhere, and I know that the person copied it from me, because what I am teaching you right now is what I have experienced. All right. So if people are owing you huge amount of money, one thing about debt is this: when it's easy to borrow, but when to pay back, they cannot be able to pay back. So when you are telling them to pay you your money back, instead of them to pay you the money, they will go extra lengths looking for how to destroy you, looking for what to do against you so that you will die and leave the money in their hands. And I said no. Instead of you going fighting them, instead of you going facing them, fighting over money, do this particular recipe and I'll tell you, you will never ever regret. So you only need one single ingredient, and that is single ingredient is leaf. We are making use of leaf today. So what is the name of this leaf? This is the leaf. This is cassava leaf. Now, this cassava leaf, you need the tiny, the baby cassava leaf, like that one, okay, something like this. The baby cassava. Can you see baby cassava here? Let me show you. This is baby cassava. It's different from these big ones. That tiny ones that always grow up before it germinates to bigger ones. So you need it enough. So when you get it like this, you have to wash it. Wash it as if you're washing bitter leaf. Wash the cassava leaf very, very well. After washing it, add water and filter it. When you are done filtering it, now write the name of the person. Write the name of the person using white pepper and green pen. You can use red pen. If you have parchment paper, good and fine. Write the name of the person on the parchment paper. Use green pen or red pen. After writing, now put the name of this person inside this cassava leaf and leave it there for 7 days. Mention the name of that person 7 times and allow the written name to be in that cassava water for good 7 days. And the person, anywhere the person is, before it will get to 7 days, anywhere the person is, the person, even if the person doesn't have money to pay you back the money that he or she borrowed you, he will or she will borrow money somewhere and then do what? Make sure that he do what? He paid you, because this recipe will disturb him spiritually and physically. It will hasten his mind, it will soften his mind, it will do as if he didn't pay this money, he will never have rest of mind. You understand? So this works wonders. This works wonders. So go ahead, perform this recipe, and then get me your feedback at the comment section. Remember, while you are doing this, you have to be very, very what? Spiritually alert, and do it with all seriousness. So guys, that is just the end of this video. And I am also using this opportunity to call all the married women in the house who want to join our women's chat group on WhatsApp. You understand? So if you want to join that group, it's free. All you have to do there, we are going to be learning a lot of things: how to keep our marriage, how to protect our husband, what we need to do to enhance our marriage, so that our husband will not have any reason at all to look outside, by the special grace of God. So if you're interested, chat me on this number: 090 59825779, 090 59825779. All right. And if you need to order for this particular cassava leaf, whether you use fresh one or a dry one, it's still the same thing, but it works well while you are using this freshly. Please like this video. Remember, we have a lot of products, both herbal products and spiritual products. So chat me up, and then let's see how we can be able to help you by the special grace of God. So guys, that's just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye.